by the authority invested in me as chair of the Randolph Board of Trustees by the Commonwealth of Virginia, I commend to you Sue Ott Rowlands, the welfare of Randolph College, and declare you fully installed as the 11th president of the college with all of the rights, privileges thereto appertaining. Congratulations, Madam President.
I am so honored to be Randolph's 11th president. One of the things that strikes me every time I enter the red brick wall is the rich history that permeates our entire campus. Randolph College is a place where people know each other and care about one another. And this is a big part of what makes Randolph so special. The promise that Randolph College offers today is indeed not unlike the promise it offered in its earliest days. The Randolph Promise, well, that's a commitment to being a place where students will find a close-knit community that welcomes their unique perspectives. The Randolph Promise, well, it's a commitment to academic excellence, career empowerment, and community engagement. We are dedicated to helping our students find their purpose, and today we do that for young women and for young men. We're proud of our diverse community and how many first-generation students have chosen to call our campus home. Randolph College empowers our students in their preparation and pursuit of meaningful careers. At Randolph, we prepare students for life today and for life tomorrow. At Randolph, we're not limited to the old model of liberal arts education. We're not stuck on doing something because it's always been done that way. Instead, you'll find us offering programs that speak to the needs of today's youth, to today's workforce needs, and to the global world we live in. In addition to academic excellence and career empowerment, community engagement must be a vital part of the Randolph experience. Lynchburg and the Central Virginia region needs our spirit, our energy, our adaptability, and our students as volunteers, as activists, and as social justice change agents. The liberal arts, I would argue, are best defined not by the curriculum, but by the people who embody the liberally educated life. Yes, the curriculum matters, but I promise you, whether we are educating tomorrow's computer scientists or English professors, or tomorrow's philosophers or film directors, we are going to ensure that Randolph College students embody the abundant life. To me, a life more abundant means living life to the fullest, whether that is in the workplace, at home, or wherever we find ourselves. It is using our talents, our intellect, and our innovative spirit to seek out life, meet it head on, take everything it has to offer. The Randolph Promise is that together we will work towards academic excellence, career empowerment, and community engagement. My promise within that Randolph Promise is to honor our past, but the other part of my promise is to position Randolph College for a thriving future as we create teams of educator leaders who work together to support each and every one of our students. I promise to work tirelessly towards these efforts, and I join as your president with humility, curiosity, and a deep appreciation for my role in our promise to you. Vita abundantior.